Hey there! So, you've encountered a problem while using Windows 11, where you're getting a warning about multiple versions of the emoji font, Sego UI Emoji, being installed on your PC. This warning might be causing some emojis to not display correctly in the emoji pop-up. You've checked the installed fonts on your PC and noticed several Sego fonts, but couldn't find any duplicates. Now you're wondering if you should remove a font to solve the issue, or if there's a way to reset them. Well, let's dive into the solution. In the suggested solution, there are two options to fix the problem. The first option is to restore the default font settings by going to Control Panel, navigating to Fonts, then clicking on Restore Default Font Settings. The second option involves uninstalling the duplicate Sego UI symbol font from your user data folder located in SEST. Users, App Data, Microsoft Windows Fonts. You'll need to delete the fonts segemj.tf, sef, segasim.ttf if they exist in that folder. Keep in mind that you may need to use Safe Mode or a third-party tool if you encounter difficulties deleting these files using Kmend or PowerShell. Now to wrap it up, if you're facing issues with displaying emojis on Windows 11 due to multiple versions of the Sego UI emoji font, you can try restoring the default font settings or removing the duplicate fonts from your user data folder as mentioned in the solution. Give these options a shot, and hopefully your emoji display problem will be resolved. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment with your favorite emoji. Until next time.